ACMRS, as you see in the YouTube video before, he did not show up to second round Dom, so I'm inviting him again, which he hasn't added me because I had to add him back, as you saw in the other video. Oh my gosh. Oh, Andy deleted me. It's been a minute 30 already. I gotta add him again. Alright, now we need Nuketown, Search and Destroy. My name is SnD. See, I sent my friend request. SnD. Yes, second map. He's supposed to invite me, but he keeps saying he wins. I don't know why. But yeah, here's you as Ratchet. He has about, and look, he deleted me again. I'll go up to my friends. U dash is dash Ratchet. The frick? He might have put me on his block list, actually. Yeah, he put me on his block list, so... adding him as a friend. Go all the way down. He's gonna keep deleting me. Deleted me again. I'll add him again. Alright, that's 5 minutes for that map.